வணக்கம்ங்க. நான் பேர் ரஷ்மிகா வந்தனா. ஏப்ரல் 2 ஃபிலிம் சுல்தான் ரிலீஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குங்க. எல்லாருமே பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. இது வந்து நான் டெபியூ ஃபிலிம். ஸோ ஐ ஆம் வெரி எக்ஸைட்டட் அண்ட் நர்வஸ். பட் ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஷோ அஸ் யுவர் லவ் அண்ட் சப்போர்ட் அண்ட் ஐ வில் பி வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் இட். தேங்க் யூ. ஆமாம், ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைரக்ட் தமிழ் ஃபிலிம் என்ன சொல்லணும்னா இட்ஸ் அ வெரி சரியல் மூமெண்ட். எதுக்குன்னா எவ்ரி ஒன் நோஸ் தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் வந்து டெபியூ பண்ணணும்னு ரொம்ப ஆசையில் இருந்தேன். இப்போ பாசிபிள் ஆச்சு. ஸோ ஐம் சூப்பர் எக்ஸைட்டட். April 2nd I start being a Tamil heroine. So I'm very excited and it makes me truly happy. And now that I get to say, as in be a part of saying Sultan's story, makes me feel even more happy because of course this film is not just a film of entertainment, it's a film of substance, it's a film of a message in itself. So I don't think, as in I'm proud to be a part of this film. Rather than saying I'm happy to be a part of this film, I'm proud to be a part of this film.
First time வந்து ஒரு வில்லேஜ் பேக்ட்ராப்ல இருக்கிற சொல்லுங்க, அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி கிடைச்சது? நீங்க மாடலா அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க, கிராமத்து ரோல் எப்படி?
ஆக்சுவலி வந்து இனிஷியலாக when I knew I wanted to work in Tamil industry, I said, பாருங்க, for my first Tamil film I want to be a girl who's from village, who's got that get up, who's telling a story, who's real and who's strong. And I was very clear on how I wanted to be debuted in the industry. And Sultan vandappo, it made me extremely happy because it is exactly what I was looking for. It was exactly what I was manifesting for and I got it. So yeah, it was very exciting. ஆனால் அங்கே போய் ஷூட் பண்ணணும்னப்போ it was extremely hot because we were shooting in Dindigal and the weather, I think we were shooting in summer and it was huge space that put a set and there were mountains and all of that. So it was a difficult location to be shooting in. And also this character, she's riding the tiller, she's holding the she's holding the animals just like that. You know how they do it in the village, and I'm not used to that. So it was all very new. Anna, I had super fun. So I think even now I keep raving about, you have to watch me in Sultan because it is mental. So I think yeah, I'm just very excited for the April 2nd. That's all.
Talk baby. For the song, it was really nice.
Thank you.
Talking about Sultan, அதுல வந்து ஒரு 100 rowdies இருக்காங்க.
ஆமா.
Full lady நீங்க நடுவுல அது எப்படி இருந்தது? தமிழ் இவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுறீங்க. So dialogues எல்லாம் எப்படி நீங்க பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணீங்க அங்க?
Our rowdies ku vandu naan da rowdy. So I think all the rowdies are scared of me. Yeah, so I'm like, hey, don't annoy me. All of you sit in one place, keep your hands on the lip. But even if they're rowdies on films and all, no, they're dolls, man. Like I'm like, how can ana rowdy paapingla, like you, yeah, look rowdy da irpinga, but mansu vandu romba they're childish, they're small. So I feel motherly love to all these boys.
How did you manage talking Tamil and for the dialogues and all?
As in, for me it takes me 1-2 days to get comfortable. When I get the dialogues and all, I'm like, this I can do. So all the dialogues were quite easy, but when in the morning I have to speak in Hindi or Telugu and now I have to speak in Tamil na mudiyadu. Now I need 1 day at least.
Okay, so actually கார்த்திக் சார் நீங்க பேசும்போது ஏய் I யூஸ் பண்ண கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லி ஆர்டர் பண்ணீங்க. செட்ல எப்படி இருப்பீங்க?
அப்படி தான் இருப்பீங்க. I'm kidding. No, why will I say glass எடுங்க? No. But setல வந்து I think I like working in easy atmosphere. இப்போ வந்து ஸ்டார் வந்தாங்க, everyone should get up, everyone should sit like this and முடியாதுங்க. For me it has to be like everyone are pulling each other's leg, everyone are enjoying, everyone are dancing in one corner, everyone are playing cricket. That is a set I like to be in. And I think our set lo vandu all of them were pulling my leg. I was equally irritating everyone. So we were a good mix of everything. And Karthi sir, he's a big actor, all of us know. But in the set when he comes, he's just like, you know, one of our friends. And that's why I was saying, you know, I found a friend in you. Because he was more like my friend than like my co-star. So I was like, yeah, the world needs more people like you. God bless you. Thank you for your existence.
கீத கோவிந்தம் டியர் காம்ரேட் படங்களுக்கு அப்புறம் தெலுங்கு ஃபேன்ஸ் வந்து செலிப்ரேட் பண்றாங்க, அவ்வளோ ஃபேன் ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ தமிழ் ஃபேன்ஸ் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Tamil fans vandu, I think Geetha Govindam time, no, actually Kirik Party time only I had well wishes from Tamil Nadu. It's I think somewhere they saw me and they're like, we like you. And I think because they're from Chennai, no, and my father, like I said, we've grown up watching Tamil films, and now that I have well wishes from Chennai, I'm like, now I feel nice. All of us will put some Tamil song and we'll dance to it, okay? And we'll eat pongal, okay? That's it.
Dialogues any dialogues?
It's been more than 1.5 years. I don't remember. I don't have such good memory also. Class edu. Shoulders கீழ பண்ணு. That's all I know from the trailer.
நார்மலி வந்து ஒரு காமெடியன் செட்ல இருந்தாலே வந்து பயங்கர ஃபன்னா இருக்கும். இது யோகி பாபு, சென்ராயன், நீங்க வேற அப்பப்போ ஃபன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்தது? ஒரு ஃபைட் ஃபிலிம்ல ஒரு காமெடியன்ஸோட எப்படி இருந்தது உங்களுக்கு?
Actually, Yogi Babu sir ne ippo I was shooting for Pushpa in Tenkasi and I just met him there. He was staying right next door and I was like, sir, how long it's been since I've seen you. Because I remember in Sultan's set also, expression, he doesn't do any expression. He'll just give off one, you know, dialogue like that. One liner like that. And you won't realize it's a joke. But after that, you're thinking about it and you're laughing. Okay. He's that kind of a person. And Settler vandu, when Sir is given one dialogue, he'll own the dialogue. He won't say it like how, you know, it is supposed to be said. He will say it in his own way and we have to just take the cue. So you need to be present. Like when he's saying something, you need to be present because if you miss the timing, the humor is off. You know, so it was a task to work with such good actors, but well, I became a better actor working with such good actors.
நிறைய தமிழ் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் உங்களை எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாமா? யார் உங்களோட ஃபேவரட் ஹீரோ லிஸ்ட் ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
Industrial வந்து I learned one thing, ma'am. No matter what, even if it's a good thing or a bad thing, never take out names. That one thing I've learned. Hard way or a good way, I've learned it. But for sure, I would love to do more Tamil films because till now I was saying Sultan release, I like after Sultan's release, I'll start signing Tamil films because I wanted to see how people will like me. Because every state, you know, because of different culture, the reactions are different. So I was like, after Sultan's release, I'll start signing Tamil films. இப்போ பார்க்கலாம்.
உங்களோட ஸ்கிம் நியூ காவலி சாங்க்கு டிக்டாக் பண்ணாத யாருமே இல்லை, பசங்களே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. இதுல விவேக் மோகன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அந்த மியூசிக் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அண்ட் தமிழ் பாட்டுல நீங்க வரீங்க இப்போ. இதுல எந்த பாட்டு டிக்டாக் பண்ணுவாங்க, இது ரீல்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, இவ்வளவு வெயிட்டட் இருக்கீங்க நீங்க?
We heard all the songs and I was telling Vivek sir and Marvin sir that, sir, நீங்க பாஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்க. Like, you know, you've passed your exam. இப்போ வந்து April 2nd is our, you know, result time. So I don't know how it's going to be, but you just heard the music. They're amazing.
Your favorite song?
My introduction song, like my song. I own that song. I'm not giving it to anybody. That's my song. But
talk
yeah.
About your Hindi debut.
I think in my Hindi debut, more than well, I can't reveal anything. So, but I shot for it for 14-15 days. I shot for it, and it is super nice. As in, initially, of course, you're going into north, South and our people, our cultures are similar, languages are understanding and all of that. But I thought going to North, I'm kind of going to find it hard. And luckily, I don't know, I think I attract nice people somehow. Because even that film Crew, I was shooting in Lucknow. I wasn't even shooting in Bombay. And Lucknow, I think I was so comfortable. It was so nice, that team. It makes me feel like, arey yaar, let's go to that film now again. Let's go shoot there now again. Our feeling on the Turk. So I think I'm enjoying. It's nice. And you'll like the film also if you watch it.
I know it's not my content to Sultan, but I want to ask you this Top Tucker song experience with Yuvan sir. I'm a huge fan of Yuvan song. So few experience working with him and the song.
I think Yuvan sir, I met him during the shoot
Set
itself.
only.
Yeah, the set only. And I find him to be so cute.
Okay.
Like dancing with him was so easy. You can see it on the
Yeah.
video only. You can see me having fun, dancing with Yuvan sir. But all of us know what a mastermind he is. And I got to share the dance with him, so I'm happy. And he's one very quiet, fellow. So I only would go and be like, sir. And it was cold. We were shooting in Chandigarh and it was super cold. I was like, sir, it's cold, no, sir. Sir, we'll go off, sir. We'll go off to Chennai, sir. Podu, sir. Let's go back.
14 million followers உங்களுக்கு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ சொல்லுங்களேன், எப்படி அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கு? எவ்வளோ ஃபேன் ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் உங்களை எப்படி லவ் பண்ணுறாங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Fans, as in, இப்போ எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்னா, I think that's the main reason. Because initially negativity ரொம்ப torture-ஆக இருந்தது. But I think for now, because I see such strong love from my fans, or fans, I don't like calling them fans. I just call them like, I don't know, I just can't call them as fans. I don't know what to call. I can call them Russians, but okay. But that aside, what am I saying? I think because of their strong love, I'm not getting into the negative space. Now I just want to work, I just want to make them happy. I just want to see smiles on their faces, and they mean the world to me. So it's my family, friends, and my well-wishers. So I have mama feelings for them. I'm protective and I have love.
Okay. ஒரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட்க்கும் இந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஜானர்ல என்னோட ஃபுல்லஸ்ட் பொட்டன்ஷியல் வெளியில வரும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஜானருக்காக நீங்க பயங்கரமா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இந்த ஜானர் கிடைச்சா அப்படின்னு படம் எடுத்துருவேன்.
What do you think I should do? Ye genre. Yes. No horror. வேணாங்க. Police, full action, or politician. Biopic is interesting. Sports girl முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. No, because see, for me as an actor, I always want to challenge myself and I want to do something more.
Any like full fight stunts? You like to do stunts and all?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I've been talking to my directors, in fact, saying, sir, see, I will do this very sweet, very nice, very, cute girl and all. But next time, please give me some, yeah, I feel like I have the body for it. I work out also, so I'm strong. People know that I'm strong. I'll do some, action and all of that. And a face where body where actually, So I think.
The face cute இருக்கு. You don't have a
Imagine me being this character who's cute but yet raw. Like twisted.
கார்த்தி சார் கிட்ட இருந்து இந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் எடுத்துக்குவேன். This quality I would take it from him அப்படின்னா what quality is that from Karthi sir, Bhagirath sir?
I think with Karthi sir it would be being present. Being present, I think he's extremely present to the reality. Even if he's such a big star, like I said, when he's around, he's just us, and I believe that I'm not a star yet, but when I get to where he is now, I want to be like him. It's that. And Baki sir, I think Baki sir is one baby. So I have a mama, again, protective feel towards him. So what do I take from him? Dealing with everything the way he does. I don't think I don't know if I can do it or if I'm doing it, but when I see it, I like it.
ஓகே
காஷ்மீர் லாஸ்ட்
Sir,
கொஸ்டின்
ma'am.
விஜய் தேவரகொண்டா இல்லாம இந்த இன்டர்வியூ ஃபினிஷ் பண்ண முடியாது உங்க லைஃப்ல மிகப்பெரிய சக்சஸ் கொடுத்த காம்பவுண்டிங் ஸோ அவரை பத்தி 2 வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க
ஒன் மோர் கொஸ்டின்
Anna, I've worked with so many people. How can you just ask me about him? No, of course, he's a very dear friend of mine, and 2 films I've done with him, and 2 of my biggest films, of course, because the script was like that. It demanded certain, the amount and whatever. But I think, like you asked me, I've taken a lot of advices from him also, and like I said, I found a friend in him also. Karthik, I have so many co-stars. I'm so proud of all my co-stars.
ஓகே நிறைய ரூமர்ஸ் உங்களை பத்தி வருது தளபதி படத்துல ரஷ்மிகா இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிற ரூமர் தான் கண்டினியூஸா வந்துட்டே இருக்கு அதை நாங்க நம்பலாமா வேண்டாமா
இந்த ரியாக்ஷன்ல கன்ஃபார்ம்
இல்ல மேம்,
ஏன்னா அப்போல இருந்தே வந்துட்டு இருக்கு ரஷ்மிகா கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம்
பெரிய ஃபேன் மேம், அவ்வளோதான், பெரிய ஃபேன். ஆனா வில்லை
ரூமர்ஸ்
விஜய் மேனேஜரும் உங்களுக்கு பாக்குற மேனேஜரும் சேம் பர்சன் அப்ப 80% பாசிபிலிட்டி இருக்கு
அம்மா அம்மா ஆமா இல்ல அம்மம்மா
நாங்க ஸ்லோ மோஷன்ல ஆமா ஆமான்னு போடுறோம்
இல்ல, பட் one day I hope I get to work with him. One day I hope I get to meet him. But I've been a huge fan.
even we are waiting
One day.
ஓகே தேங்க்ஸ்க்கு நீங்க சொல்ல விரும்புறது என்ன ஃபைனலி
இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலி நான் டெபியூ ஃபிலிம்ங்க தமிழ். ஸோ ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கேன், ரொம்ப நர்வஸாக இருக்கு. ஆனால் சுல்தான் டீசர் பார்த்தீங்க, சுல்தான் சாங்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்க, இப்போது ட்ரெய்லர் கூட வந்துட்டு இருக்கு 5 o'clock. ஸோ ஐம் கான்ஃபிடென்ட், ஏன்னா திஸ் ஃபிலிம் இஸ் a mass commercial mass entertainer with a message, and I love being a part of such films. And performances romba nalla irukku, characters romba nalla irukku, and direction, the cinematography, everything romba nalla irukku, and I'm proud to be a part of this film. And this is my debut film, so it vandu enakku romba close ana film. So I hope you enjoy it from the bottom of my heart. Nama ellaru romba we've worked hard for this film, so I hope you enjoy it, and take care of yourselves. Yes.
அதர் லாங்குவேஜ் மூவில நீங்க பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, தமிழ்ல ஆக்டிங் பண்ணும்போது டஃபா இருக்குதா ஈஸியா இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு?
இல்லைங்க, 4 languagesல பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ
தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்?
No, I think தமிழ்ல வந்து I've always been related to Tamil somewhere or the other. I've been watching Tamil, or I love people from Tamil Nadu. I'm not saying it because I'm here, but generally because I've had history here, I have some sort of connection here. So I think கஷ்டமான ஒன்றுமே இல்லைங்க, but for me it just takes 1-2 days to get comfortable with the language. 3rd, 4th day I'm just like saying dialogues on spot. So I think I'm happy to be a part of Tamil industry. I hope people send us support, and I'm here. I'm finally here. That's all. Thank you.